and we are here to discuss about brotherhood of derivatives.
So let's have an exercise for problem number 1. In problem number 1, a container ship carries 10x raised to 11 kilograms of cargo. Another valve increased the load by the factor of 5x raised to 6. What is the new total cargo capacity? This one, we have to multiply the coefficient, so 10 times 1 is equal to 15. Another one, we have to add this. We have to add this exponent. So 11 plus 6 is equal to 17. So this is the new capacity of the ship.
Lakas na boses mo. Umpisa mo sa umpisa. Lakas na boses mo.
So first step is find the derivatives of 5x. 5 times 2 is 10, 10x, and second is find the derivatives of 4 lang nilalagay dito. Ito lang yan. Wala kasi siyang exponent, kaya yun lang siya, ganito lang siya. Substitute mo lang, pero ito yung ano niya, formula. Tapos, ano lang, yan. Substitute mo na yan dito, so 4x, which is the this 4x plus 3 and 10x plus 5x over 2 and plus 2 times 4. So, dito lang is, ito lang. Mataas lang siya dito, which is 40. 4 times that is 40 and 3 times 10x is 40. And gano'n lang dito sa kabila. Ito tayo sa kabila. 5 times 5x squared plus 3 times 4x is 20x squared and 2 times 4 is 8. So, yung mga common terms lang is kapag-plus mo lang. So, ito, x squared plus x squared. Kapag plus mo lang yan, 40 plus 20. So, the answer is 16x squared lang. Kasi wala nung kapares. And then x plus 8. Wala kasi sila kapares. Kaya kasi sila plus 8.